Are you planning to travel to the UK anytime soon for study, work, or even just to visit, but then someone tells you you need a TB test and you're like, huh? Let me make it super clear for you today. Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for clicking this video, and if it's your first time here, I'm Tina, and on this channel, I share reliable tips to make your immigration journey smooth and stress-free. If you love something like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want real up-to-date guidance on UK, US, Canada, and Schengen visas. Now, back to that UK TB test. What exactly is it? Why does the UK even ask for it? And where can you get it done right here in Nigeria? Let's get into it. If you're applying for a UK visa that's more than 6 months, whether it's a student visa, work visa, or settlement visa, the UK Home Office requires that you take a tuberculosis (TB) test if you live in certain countries. And yes, Nigeria is on that list. Why? Because TB is considered a public health concern, and this is just the UK's way of keeping people safe, nothing personal. But don't worry, it's not a scary process. It's quick and straightforward, as long as you know where to go and what to expect. So what happens during the TB test? You'll get a chest x-ray at an approved clinic. If the x-ray is clear, you'll be given a certificate that says you're free of TB. That certificate is what you need to upload with your visa application. It's valid for 6 months, so please don't do it too early. Now, let's talk about where you can take the TB test in Nigeria. The UK government only accepts results from approved clinics. As of now, there are 3 official locations. Lagos, International Organization for Migration (IOM) Clinic. Abuja, International Organization for Migration (IOM) Clinic. Enugu, Q-Life Family Clinic. Please, do not go to just any hospital. It won't be accepted unless it's one of these approved places. Now, here's how to book your appointment. First, go to the IOM Nigeria website or call them directly. Second, you'll need your passport, visa application type, and basic personal info. Third, pay the test fee. It's usually around 50,000 to 60,000, but always confirm the current rate when you call. Fourth, show up for your test and don't forget your ID. Now, if you're feeling overwhelmed or you want expert help with your entire UK visa process, from TB test guidance to document checks and application filing, that's exactly what we do at Law and Visas. We've helped hundreds of Nigerians successfully get their UK visas, and we'd love to help you too. Comment below or contact us using the information in the description. So now you know what the UK TB test is, why it's important, and exactly where to take it in Nigeria. Don't forget to start your booking early, and please use only approved clinics. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll respond to every single one. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it with a friend who's applying soon, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert visa tips and updates. See you in the next one, and good luck with your UK journey.